Welcome to the Food Zone for another food review. This is from Broad Street Butcher. This is natural shaved steaks. You can see that you can make cheesesteak or steak sandwiches. I've used this before on my page in other cheesesteak recipes, and this thing is really good. It's definitely a go-to product. It's shaved beef steaks, and here's the back of it. Feel free to pause the video, rewind it. But this is definitely a great product. I'll open it and show you what it is. I'm gonna make cheesesteak with it for a recipe for YouTube, but this is definitely a great product. And this is what you'll find inside the box. It's 4 patties. So you can basically leave this as like steak burgers, but this is what the patties look like. You see? So they're basically steak burgers. So if you wanted to, you could split this and cook it, and you can make steak burgers, or you can break it up and make cheesesteak. But that's what's in the box. But thanks for visiting here for another food review. This is definitely a product to buy, and it's really easy. You don't have to deal with like full steaks, and this is shaved. So thanks for visiting my channel, and I'll bring you more food reviews. You be safe. God bless.